All right, guys, so as you may already know, our mandate is to stay closed until May 8th. If you check the calendar, that is 10 days from today. All right, so in 10 days, as long as nothing changes, we should be able to be back in the gym. We definitely will have some different restrictions, different policies about classes and class guidelines and signups and all that. Stay tuned to figure out more about how to sign up for classes and show up back at the gym. But in the meantime, I've created something a little fun for today's workout, all right? So you know when you're like super excited for Christmas and you can't wait, and you have like this advent calendar, right? And you like open a new little window and you get a little present. We should make CrossFit gym opening advent calendars. That would be awesome. But I have the next best thing for you guys. It is called the 10 days of quarantine, all right, in celebration of our last 10 days, hopefully, of quarantine from the gym, all right? I will explain it in the WOD Brief, coming at you right now. All right, guys, so first things first, yes, I do have pink hair, if you didn't already know. Mira dyed it for me. It's semi-permanent, so it's supposed to wash out, but I kind of like it. I don't know, maybe I'll change it to permanent or change it maybe a different color. We'll see. Anyways, all right, so on to your warm-up. Warm-up is gonna be 40 seconds on, 20 seconds of rest for 3 rounds. We're gonna start with leg shoot-throughs, all right? These are to open up the hips, so I'm looking for you to get your leg as far through that little pocket as you can. Get that hip rotation, all right? And then keep those arms as straight as possible. All right, then we have dumbbell deadlifts, so 40 seconds of deadlifts, making sure that back is staying nice and straight. It's not a squat, guys, so we are hinging at the hips, all right? Just keep that back nice and flat. All right, and then toe taps just to get the heart rate racing a little bit. Warm up those calves for push presses. All right, now moving on into our strength portion. It is death by, all right? What that means is kind of like an EMOM. Every minute on the minute, you're gonna be doing push presses and burpees, but those reps are going to increase until you can't complete the amount of reps you need to within the allotted time, within the minute. All right, so minute number 1 is gonna seem super simple. We have 1 push press and 1 burpee, all right, all the way down, all the way back up. Minute number 2, you're gonna increase those reps. So now we have 2 push presses and 2 burpees. And minute number 3, 3 push presses and 3 burpees, and so on. Let's say you went pretty heavy on the weight, all right? Push presses are getting hard. And you are out, you're dead, basically, because you can't complete the amount of reps you're supposed to in a minute. Let's say you're dead on minute like 7, all right? You do 7 push presses and you get like 5 burpees in, and beep, you hear the time or the clock beep for the next minute. I want you guys then, if you have not completed at least 10 minutes, I want you to go back to minute 1 and start over, all right? At least until 10 minutes on the clock. Now, if you're at 10 minutes and you have completed all of the reps that you needed to up until 10 minutes, then I want you to keep going, all right? 10, 11, 12, and so on until you are dead, all right? Can't complete the amount of reps you're supposed to within the minute, all right? Otherwise, if you have stopped before the 10-minute mark, I want you to start back at 1 and at least go 10 minutes. Okay, and then moving on into our fun 10 days of quarantine workout, all right? So we are gonna do this workout just like the 12 days of Christmas WOD. All right, so just like the song goes, you guys are gonna start with rep number 1, which is 1 push-up, all right? So you do 1 push-up, and then you're gonna move on to round 2. Round 2, you're gonna go down to number 2 on the list, all right? Which is up, down, double shots, all right? So you guys are gonna do 2 up, down, double shots, and I have that in the WOD video over here to explain what that is, and then 1 push-up, right? Then you're gonna move on to the 3. So you have 3 ground to overhead, 2 up, down, double shots, 1 push-up, right? Then you move on to number 4. We have 4 mountain climbers. Remember, right, left equals 1. Then 3 ground to overhead, then 2 up, down, double shots, then 1 push-up, all right? And so on. So then you'll go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so on, all right? All the way until your last round is going to go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and call time. All right, this should be a lot of fun. If you guys, you should only need a dumbbell for this. If you guys have a heavier dumbbell, let's go ahead and use it. The reps are not that large, all right? So you should be able to hang on to a decent amount of weight The dumbbell, you guys are gonna use that for the cleans. You can use it for the lunges if you want to, but not required, all right? And then the ground to overhead for sure. All right, if you guys have questions about this one, shoot me a message or leave me a comment and I will get back to you guys. I want some feedback from this one, all right? So give me some feedback on how you guys like this workout. Post in Sugar WOD, lots of comments, lots of responses on that, all right? Make sure to like and fist bump your friends as well. All right, see you guys tomorrow for Wednesday WOD Brief.